Have you ever worked extra hard, putting in those long hours, and wondered if your paycheck truly reflects all that effort? It is a common concern for many dedicated employees. The direct answer is that correctly calculating overtime can be a bit tricky, but generally, if you are a non-exempt employee in the United States, you should receive 1.5 times your regular rate of pay for all hours worked over 40 in a single work week. This fundamental rule is set by federal law, but state laws can also play a significant role. The core mechanism behind overtime pay is the Fair Labor Standards Act, often called the FLSA. This federal law establishes minimum wage, overtime pay eligibility, record keeping, and child labor standards affecting most private and public employment. Crucially, it distinguishes between non-exempt and exempt employees. Non-exempt employees are typically paid hourly and are eligible for overtime, while exempt employees, often salaried professionals or executives meeting specific criteria, are not. The FLSA aims to ensure fair compensation for additional hours worked, discouraging employers from overworking their staff without proper remuneration. Understanding your regular rate of pay is key to verifying your overtime. It is not just your base hourly wage. The FLSA requires that almost all forms of payment must be included when determining your regular rate of pay, such as non-discretionary bonuses, shift differentials, and certain commissions. This calculation ensures that your overtime premium is based on your true average hourly earnings, not just your base pay. To determine if your overtime is correct, first, diligently track all the hours you work each week, including start and end times and any breaks. Next, review your pay stubs carefully, looking at your hourly rate, the number of regular hours, and the number of overtime hours listed. Compare these to your own records. If something does not add up, review your company's official overtime policy, which should be readily available, before reaching out to your human resources department or your direct manager for clarification. A helpful insider tip is to be aware that some states have their own overtime laws that can be more generous than the federal FLSA, such as requiring overtime after 8 hours in a day, not just 40 hours in a week. If a state law provides greater protection or a higher benefit to the employee, then the state law applies. Knowing this can help you verify your paychecks. Protecting your earnings and ensuring fair compensation is not just about the money. It is about respecting your hard work and time. Being informed about how overtime should be calculated empowers you to advocate for yourself and secure the full pay you have earned.